How to redeem codes in Doomsday Last Survivors. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you've got a gift code for Doomsday Last Survivors, you can redeem it for free rewards like gems, speed ups, and resources. First of all, launch your game open on your device. It can be your smartphone or your tablets or your iPads. Once you're inside the main homepage of the game, go to the top left corner and tap on your avatar. Now this will open a Commander info section where you need to tap on settings at the bottom left. In the settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on gift code. Now in the blank box appearing on the page, go ahead and type in or paste in your redemption code carefully. Make sure that there are no spaces or mistakes while typing down your code. Finally, click on exchange, and if the code is valid, the rewards will be sent to your in-game mailbox. So that's how you can easily redeem codes in Doomsday Last Survivors. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.